So in Māori, we have our consonants are pronounced slightly differently to English. For example, H is pronounced with a stronger breath, as in haka. So you have to push it out. K, as in keke. M, as in mama. N, as in nane. Ng, as in ngata. The ng is pronounced as in singer. Now you can say this word, ngutu. Ngutu. Ngutu means lips. Ngutu ngutu means gossip. Nō reira, kaua e ngutu ngutu. Do not gossip. The P is pronounced with a slightly softer tone than the English P, as in pepe, pepe, papa. Ka pai. R is pronounced as in r, as in rara, rara, rere, roro, ruru. Ka pai. Try and think of some words in Māori with a R, like rere whakaitu, rotorua, where we are broadcasting from our studio here at Haupapa House. Ko te arawa te waka. Let's go down to the T. The T is not pronounced like a European tea, as in cup of tea. It's pronounced with like an English D. You have to put your tongue behind your two front teeth. If you have two front teeth, and you go, tete, toto, ka pai? Tutu, tutu. You hear that word a lot? Tutu, having a tutu, playing around. Just like what we're doing now. Wa, as in wawe. And the WH is pronounced as an F, as in fifi, fifi. Ka pai e hoa mā.